Hi there, Jerry Tools hydraulic jet nuts. What are they? Well, you're certainly not the only person in the industry that can't tell us the answer to that or wouldn't really know it. So we've got those for you here to show you. The jet nuts have just a few simple components. Obviously the nut itself, the thread for your tooling. On the bottom is a seal and a pressure pad. Now these will come out as you actuate them with either grease or a piston, depending on the model, to come up to the face of your tool. Obviously, doing it that way, you're going to have a much truer hold on tools that maybe aren't as flat as they used to be, maybe wobble a little bit. Actuating with the grease of the piston is going to let that pressure pad find it and get a truer, stronger, firmer hold. All of the threading, the milling, the sizing is all completely customizable to your tool. As you can see here, we go from very small or even smaller to very large. You'll also notice the blue ones here. The reason they are that is because they are aluminum and much lighter. So lots of different options there. But again, the hydraulic jet nut is going to grab hold with the pressure pad to give you a better, truer hold, straighter cutting, all the things that you would use it for. Now we're going to give you a little demonstration about how much easier it is to use the jet nut as opposed to a regular. Okay, now we're going to give you a side-to-side comparison of the ease with which the jet nut can work compared to a regular nut, as well as the pressure that can be gained with the jet nut as opposed to the regular nut. So this is hydraulically clamped down. Obviously you can see here, you take them all the way off if we want. Taking too much time on our smaller nuts, pressure pad, and this regular nut here. So go ahead and put these on by hand and get tight. Obviously that's where we stop there. So we'll do the regular nut first to see what kind of pressure we can get. I certainly was not volunteered for this job because of my strength. So we'll see what we can do with the big tool here and what kind of pressure we can get. All right, about 2,500 PSI. That's going to be about all this guy can get. Well, we moved everything. So yeah, we're about almost 3,000 PSI. Now for the jet nut. Huge wrench, something crazy to mess with? Sledgehammers? No, not exactly. How about an Allen wrench instead? Same guy's strength that you were watching before. We're just going to twist down. I'm passing 2 right now. About to 25 there. 3. And now we're having a little more effort. I'm at 3,500 PSI right now. Now these are tested for up to 10,000 pounds of pressure. But you could see how different it was in the action required to clamp down on the jet nut and the regular nut. Nothing even compares. When you're done, need to take it off, put new knives, slither, anything you need to fix, same idea. Loosen. One hand will even do it from a guy like me. We're loose, off by hand.